Hello everyone, welcome to the sixth video of this playlist in which I will show you how to build and deploy a full e-commerce website in MERN stack. So in this sixth video, we will see how to add the page button so that you can go back and forth in pages so that you can see all the other products, and also we will include and search by category button. In that way you can search by your favorite categories. If you want only electronics, you can search by electronics. If you want to see only the fashion products, you can do that. So let's start coding over here. So I will come to this all item page here, and I will make a new constant or a new use state, you can say. So I'll just copy this one down here, and here I will write page num, which will be the like page number, okay, as the name suggests. So set page num, and by default the value will be 1, okay, not 0 but 1. Alright, but before writing for the page number, let's just do the coding for the selected option, okay, so that you can search by categories. So for that, come under this div tag and write an h2 tag here, and let's give it styling. So here I will write font bold. Let's just write font bold here, and my2 ml3 here. Then for the large, this text will be 3xl, okay, and my4. That's it. And here I will write search by categories, okay. Alright, let's save it and see how it is looking. Okay, so it is looking something like this, which is pretty good. Now let's add the categories also. So here I will add a select tag, okay. So select tag, and let's remove the name. We don't need the name, but we need the class for styling. So I will write here border, then border black, okay, border black here. Then I will write rounded, then mb2 here, ml3, and for the large, text will be 3xl. That's it. And here one more argument you have to pass, which is value. So inside this value you have to just write this selected option use state. So where it is, here it is, you can see selected option. So you just have to write that in this value argument here, and you have to make an on change function also. So on change, what I will do, I will simply change the selected option to this selected option variable to the selected option which was selected by the user. So how we can do that? It is very simple. You just have to write one line. You just have to write one line here, which is so here you have to do something like this, make an arrow function here. So you have to write e dot target dot value, okay, that's it. So in this way, okay, let's just do this. So in this way you have to write this set selected option and paste this, so e dot target dot value. So in this way the selected option will change to the selected value, okay. And remove this id also here. Alright, now you have to write the options. So how many options you want, so it depends on you, but right now we will add total of 6 options, okay. So the first option will be all, in which all the products will be displayed, and remove this value from here because we don't need this, and copy it down few more times. Here I will write electronics, then fashion, then sports, then kitchen, and one more which is toys, okay. So let's save it and see. So yep, as you can see, there is a selected option, and if you click on it, you can select from any of this. Okay, just click on this fashion here. So yep, as you can see, it is working. So if I just click on fashion, you can see all the products change to fashion only. And if I just click on this sports, let's say, so yep, as you can see, all the products change to sports categories. So how cool it is. And if I just go back to all electronics, you can see all the products are electronics. Now just let's say all. Okay, so yep, that's all about the selected option. Now let's quickly do format document, and now let's add the page button so that you can go back and forth in pages. Come under this section tag here, and make a new div tag and give it an ID of button. That is not needed, so just remove it. Okay, so class name, so we will write here flex, then justify center here, and then MB10. okay, and items center. That's it. And inside this div tag we will make some buttons. So the first button will be the previous button, and I will copy the styling from let's say this admin page and the input tag. So yep, here it is. I will just copy this styling from here. So just like that, I will just copy all this and paste it in the class name of this one. So yeah, as you can see, it is right there. And here I will write prev, okay, for the previous button. Then I'll just do the same thing for the next button. Alright, and in between these buttons we have to show the page number. So make a p tag in between that and write page, a semicolon, then in curly braces, because we have to use JavaScript here, so write page num, which is the use state, which is a variable, and divide by, sorry, not divide by, so it is page number out of the total pages. So here you have to write something like this. So total items, let's say if I just, okay, so it is total items, but we have to write here total pages, not total items. so let's see how it is looking right now. So I will come down here. Alright, so as you can see, the page number is 1 out of 68. This 68 is the total number of products, not the total number of items. So what we will do here to make the total number of pages, we can simply write math dot floor, okay, and inside this we have to write math dot not math, so we have to write this divided by 12. So let's see, and if you just divide 68 by 12, you can see you have to, so here instead of this floor write seal, okay, so just write seal here. And now if you will see here, you can see the page number is 1 out of 6, so that is the correct page number that we want. Okay, so yeah, so almost everything is done now, but we have to make the functionality here. So first of all, one more thing we have to do in this buttons. If the page number is 1, then we want this previous button to be disabled, and if the page number is 6, then we want this next button to be disabled. So how we can do that? It is very simple. You just have to write some if else statement for the disable button. So disabled is equal to curly braces, and I will write page num is less than equal to 1. So if it is less than or equal to 1, then the previous button should be disabled. So I will write here true, but if it is not, then it will be false. Okay, just like that. And I will copy this and paste it here, but instead of this you have to write if the page number is greater than or equal to this thing, where it is, so this thing. So you have to copy this and paste it here. So if it is greater than or equal to the total number of pages, then it should be true, otherwise it will be false. So I hope you get my point here. And also let's add a on click function here. So on click, I will add a function called priv, which we will be making just right now. And here on click, I will write next. So let's make this priv and next functions real quick. So I will come down here under the use effect. I will write const priv, okay, and it will be an arrow function. And I will write set page num, and this will be equal to page num minus 1. That's it, you are done, because whenever you are clicking on this previous button, the page number should be reduced by 1. And I will do the same for the next one, and in this you just have to write plus here, okay, you are increasing the page number by 1. And you have to use the use effect, so I will copy this and paste it here. And in this use effect, I will write page change submit. We will make this function, okay, so don't worry. And whenever the page changes, we will run that. So now let's make this page change submit function. So it is just similar to this, type change submit function. So what I will do, I will just copy this just like that, change the name to page change submit, and then instead of the get products, I will write page change, okay, and we will pass selected option and also the page num, okay. So we have to pass two values to the backend. Now before writing in this then tag here, then and catch blocks, let's write the code for the backend. So I will go to the server.js, and here you just have to copy this get products. So what I will do, I will just copy this get products, copy it down, and first of all change the name to page change. Then the type will be request.body, the selected option, and I will copy this and do the same for the page num, okay, page num, and this will be equal to request.body.page num. That's it. And you can see if the type is all, then what we want all products is equal to product collection find, and in this skip tag you have to write page num minus 1 into 12, okay, and make this page num minus 1 in brackets. So and comment this out. So in this way, what you are doing here, if you just change the page number to 2, what it will do, it will display the next 12 images, and if you go to page number 3, then it will display the next 12 images, and so on. So in this way you can change the page numbers, and the products will also change according to the page number. So that's exactly what we want. And remove all this, so we don't need data also, and we just need to pass all products in our JSON, okay. So write all products here, and in else you have to do the same thing, remove this, and instead of this type here, in the skip tag you just have to do the same thing, this page num minus 1 and into 12, and just like that. And also one more time you have to paste, so copy this all products and paste it here. That's it. So you are done with the backend part also of this page change. So let's save it, and now let's go back to this all item page, and here you have to do some changes. So if the just remove all if this if else statement. So in this then block, what I will do, first of all I will set the data. So set data, this will be equal to res.data, okay, because we are just passing the all products array, so we can just write set data res.data. That's it. and the catch. So yeah, so let's see, we are done now. So let's see if it is working or not. So I will just reload. Alright, so as you can see, all the products are there. And now if I just click on this, so first of all you can see the priv button is disabled. You can see I cannot click on it, but the next button you can see I can click on. So let's click on this next button. So yeah, as you can see, the page number is now 2, and you can see the products has also changed. So yeah, all the 12 products are the new ones. So let's click on again, and yep, as you can see, all the products are now changed. So that's exactly what we want. So now let's change and go to the last page, and yep, as you can see, this is the 6th page, which is the last page, and in this we only have the 8 products. And now you can see I no longer, and you can see I cannot click on this next button. So that's exactly what we want. Up guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and in this video we have added this category button and also the page button. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and learn something new here. And in the next part we will do the setup code for the Redux, and then we will add the functionality to search a product, because you can see now if I just search, let's say laptop here, nothing will happen. Alright, because nothing will happen here. So in the next parts we will see the search functionality, but till then take care, and I will see you in the next one.